Hello friends. So today we will discuss another important operator in SQL which is known as between operator. So this is a logical operator in SQL and it is basically used to retrieve the data within a specified range. And the retrieved values can be integers, characters or dates. So let's see SQL between operator. The between operator selects values within a given range. The values can be number, text or dates. The between operator is inclusive. That means beginning and end values are also included. For example, if I am interested to retrieve certain values between 1 and 5, that means I will also get 1 and 5 in the final result set if at all they are in the input table. So we have created one table named as products in which we will try to find all the product which are having a price between 10 and 20. So this is how we will write the query. Select star, star means all the columns from products where price between 10 and 20. So here important thing is that if 10 and 20 are in our input table, then 10 and 20 will also be included. So let's see this. So this is the table that we have created. So this is how we can create table. You can also see it again. Although we have discussed in one of our videos that how we can create a table. So create table products. So product is the name of the table that we are making. Then there are two columns, product ID and price, and both are integers. So we have given the data type as int, which is data type. And then we have inserted values into this table. So this is how we have inserted the values. And now if we select all this table, this is the table finally that we are getting. There are 10 rows or 10 records, and product ID and price, two columns. So these are the price for each of the product ID. Now let's see how we can find all the products which are having price between 10 and 20. So this is how we will write the query. Select star from products where price between 10 and 20. So if we execute this query, we will get all the product IDs which are having price between 10 and 20, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20. So this is the final result set or output that we will get if we execute this query. And this is the syntax. Although we have seen the query, but this is how we will write. Select column name. So if we don't want all the columns, we can specify the column names from, then table name, where, column name, between value 1 and value 2. So this is if we write that in syntax form. Like we have used between operator, we can also use not between operator. So to display the products outside the range of the previous example, we will use not between. So for example, I am interested to find all the products whose price are not between 10 and 20. That can be anything. I don't know what will be the range, but I just want that price should not be between 10 and 20. So this is how we will write the query in case we want such final result set. Select star from products where price not between. So here we are writing not between 10 and 20. So let's execute this query in the SQL Management Studio. So this is the query that we will discuss now. Select star from products where price not between 10 and 20. So if I execute this query, you will find that all the prices are outside this range. Price is 5, 25, 30, 40, 50, but not a single product ID is coming which are having price other between 10 and 20. So this is the final result set that we will be getting. Now we will see one more use case, which is between within. So the following SQL statement select all product with a price between 10 and 20. So we have already learned in our first query that we can find all the products with a price between 10 and 20. In addition, the product ID must be either 1, 2 or 3. Now we have added one more condition, that product ID should be in between in among 1, 2 or 3. Then this is how we will write the query. Select star from products where price between 10 and 20 and product ID in 1, 2, 3. So like in our previous video we have learnt in operator, and this is one application as well as for in operator that we can use it with between as well as. So this is how we have written the query. Here and implies that both these conditions need to be satisfied simultaneously. If we have used or here, then either of the condition, if it's true, then we will get the final result set. But here if we are using and operator, that means both the condition needs to be satisfied. So let's see this in the SQL Management Studio. So this is the query that we will execute now. Select star from products where price between 10 and 20 and product ID should be in this in either 1, 2 or 3. So if we execute this query, we will get these two records. So 2 is having price 10, product ID 3 is having price as 12. So basically all the products are given certain product ID, and these two products are having a price between 10 and 20, as well as product ID is either 1, 2 or 3. So this is the result that we will get if we execute this query. So that was all about between operator that we wanted to discuss. I hope you get the clarity that how we can use between operator. So between can also be used to find range between certain strings. Like I want to find so for example, there are students in any class, and there can be students starting with A and then Y, Z, whatever, and I am only interested to find the names of students which are between A and say F, whatever it can be. So we can specify like between we can write first name, and here we can write second value or second name. Similarly, if we want to retrieve records between two dates, then we can also use date. We can also have dates here, like we want for example, we have certain data set in which there is a data of sales, and we are just interested to find the products sold between certain dates. So we can write where date between, then here we can give value 1 or date 1, and here we can give date 2. So in between we will get the all the products or all the columns whichever are there in that particular table. So this is basically about between operator. So I hope you find this video useful and get clarity that you need for between operator. We will meet you now in the next video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel if you are watching these videos and finding these useful. Thank you.